today. Today's class topic is how we can issue push components in Oracle Fusion Manufacturing. Okay, for that, just I have logged in application or home page and select supply chain execution, work area, and work execution. Okay, so click the task, manage work order. Here I am taking this one of the component, existing component, existing item, selected. I am giving that one quantity. Let's see, and save and edit. Okay, so here there are the three tabs. One is the general information and operations and distribution. So if we have any serial controlled item, then it will come one more is the serial. Okay, so here under the status, if you go to the operations, and in operations, if you click that items and just detach this thing, it will come the bigger one. So we have, see, if you see supply type is all components are operation. Okay, I'm making them this as a push 2 of the components or 3 of the components. Okay, what is the CM610, CM612, CM613? I'm making these 3 as a push components. Okay, and let's see, CM616 I'm making as the bulk. Let's see how it will behave. Okay, so then close. See if detaches close also same. Okay, let's do for our reference, right? So let's take a screenshot. Okay, so then okay, save and close, save, general information. Here just I'm releasing the order, save. I'm making note down this. Okay, that's fine. Save. So here for the review dispatch list, task review dispatch list. So we have push components, right? That's why here it's right, manually reporting required. This is enabled. Okay, so if you see here, complete with the details, and here if you see CM610, CM612, CM613, it will not show in the list because we need to, it's automatic. Whatever we have the automatic, we need to report means bulk or operation full, that one only it will show here. Okay, so here cancel, back, cancel, just I'm cancelling that, because we need to do reporting that. So see here, we need to manually issue that. So we need to verify that how much quantity we are issuing and how much is this details. Okay. Or else if you have only particular, if we have, let's say for example, thousands of items we have and only particular one we need to do that, right? So manually we need to enter them. If you want, then we can enter them manually as well. But here to show all components, it will show this all components. Okay. So click that save and close. See here is that manual reporting completed, and at the same time, if we can see that review production transaction history. What are the transactions happened? Okay, for these three components we have issued, material issued. Okay, I'm going to do dispatch and completing the 10th operation. So 10th operation is not completed. Now we need to complete the 13th operation. Here if you observe, we do not have the 20th operation to complete the review dispatch, because that might, that one is the automatic transact, might they don't have that operation itself automatic, might be they don't have to have enable that count point, and that operation might be they don't have any components to issue manually or okay. See, this is the completed result, and let us observe that one as well, why it's a 20th operation didn't come. Let us see. See here, because 13th operation is the count point, and 10th operation is the count point, and 13th operation is the count point. So it means we need to complete the count point operation is manually, and if you have the automatically transact any operation, that one it's automatically complete. Once is the previous, before the previous operation, if it's completed, automatic transacting operation automatically will complete after completing that count point operation. Okay. So work order is completed. Now we need to close the work order. There is a close here. So it will pick that work order status is the complete. That one is job actually. So let us wait for some time to complete that ESC job. Once it's completed, the ESC job, it's got completed. Okay, that's all for today, and we will meet that in next class. Thank you.